2016 edition of What's the Facts Family News. Happy New Year. Here's to a great year. What a great month December was. It all started out with a great get-together hosted by Sherry and Gary at their beautiful home. The whole family was able to make it, from the oldest to the youngest. The food was great thanks to everybody's efforts. The atmosphere was good, loud, and I mean loud, but so much fun from the start to the finish. Christmas came very quick once again and was very good. Some of us had a lovely turkey dinner at Manda's and Winter's on Christmas Eve, and Doug and Kim also had a Christmas Eve dinner. And if you were lucky enough, you got to have a second Christmas Day dinner at the Carmichaels, which was a very delicious turkey dinner as well. All in all, it was a great Christmas with the family, and even the weather cooperated for us. New Year's Eve was a blast at Barb and Jack's. Lots of good food, lots of wine, fun games, and so many giggles. We partied until 3 a.m. Such party animals, including Barb and Jack. New Year's Day, Jeremy and Melissa hosted a great turkey dinner. Great way to bring in the new year. Thank you, guys. Moving on to birthdays. Chris celebrated his on January 4th. Kim Harrison will celebrate hers on January 25th. And Gary and Caden share a birthday on February 6th. Caden will be celebrating his first birthday. I will leave the March birthdays until the next newscast. I'm afraid that it would take up far too much of our time, seeing that there's so many people in March. A reminder, Jeremy and Melissa are still collecting recipes for their family cookbook. So please send them your favorite or famous handwritten recipe and any pictures that can go along with them. And if anyone has any pics, videos, or information that they would like me to put in the next newscast, please send it along to my email, please. We are talking about planning a family picnic in the summer. We are thinking about maybe in June, so send ideas and suggestions to me so we can plan and check out parks. Plus, we will also be planning another family day at the ballpark. Go Jays, go! We hope that you are all working on your video challenge. We are thinking that we will be looking at them at the end of February, like the 27th or the 28th. We'll firm up the date at a later time. Remember, the video should be no longer than 5 minutes and no less than 2 in length. You must incorporate 3 of the following things. The color yellow, the sentence, I don't remember, it was years ago, and you must put in an object, the toilet brush. And remember, Corey will be doing the judging. That's it from WTF Family News. Enjoy the new year.